What is the flu? It is a virus. It causes worldwide pandemics. The flu caused the 1918 pandemic. Nearly 50 million people died and 20 to 40% of the worldwide population became ill. The flu is made of RNA and glycoproteins. RNA is basically a photocopier. It decodes and makes proteins. Glycoproteins are polypeptides covalently bonded to a carbohydrate. Glycoproteins act as a key. They can unlock the cell, allowing viruses to enter. Symptoms of the flu. Common symptoms of the flu are fever, sore throat, chills, cough, runny or stuffy nose, muscle or body aches. Types of the flu. There are three main types. Influenza A is divided into subtypes. The subtypes are named H1 through 18 and N1 through 11. Influenza A is constantly changing. It causes mild to severe illness and is responsible for most large epidemics. Influenza B. One strain is included in the vaccination, is mostly found in humans, is divided into strains, not subtypes. Influenza C causes respiratory problems. For instance, pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames a lung. Bronchitis. This happens when the tubes that carry air to and from the lungs are inflamed. Influenza C is not known to cause pandemics. How influenza changes. Over time, the influenza changes. RNA is like a photocopier. Whatever is put in, it spits out. If a new type of virus is put in, RNA spits out the new type of influenza. Antigenic drift is when the virus changes fast. Antigenic shift happens slower. This occurs when two viruses infect one cell. This mutation allows the virus to move from an animal to human. Vaccinations are created to combat antigenic drifts. How it is transmitted. A virus enters your body. It inserts DNA into your DNA. That virus dies. The DNA changes to produce the virus DNA. Millions of cells are created with the virus. They are sent around the body. How to avoid the flu. Vaccination. Vaccinations are the best way to protect yourself from the flu. They are created from inserting a virus strain into fertilized hen eggs. Next, fluid containing the virus is taken from the eggs. Then the virus is inactivated and purified. Next, it is shipped out. Nasal inhalation. These are not as effective as vaccination. They contain live but weakened viruses. The nasal spray goes through almost the same process. Washing hands. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water will dispel the virus. Avoid touching mouth and eyes. Your mouth and eyes are fast tracks for the virus to enter your body.